I go from gourmet to different type of interests of whatever they have in the area. I use it in cooking. But what interests me the most about here is the freshness. The freshness of baking everything in-house, assorted seafood that we have, and I love the challenge and I enjoyed it. I see that people enjoy a lot of soup, and I brought nice traditional lobster biscuit here. I also brought some French cuisines like demi-glace, different type of spinach, fresh fruit salads and stuff like that. But I try not to go all the way French because Chanticleer have freshness in sandwiches, fresh pastries. So I try to incorporate everything together and make it a one beautiful dish. One of our favorite dishes here that people love the most is our fresh catch of the day. And this is done with a sun-dried tomato cream sauce that we make and a fresh grits. And you can get this fish any way you like it. You can have it grilled, you can have it seared, sauteed, or blackened. And that looks beautiful, very delicious. 3 components with different flavors and all bind together. It's wonderful. One of the dishes that was old menu here that people love but was no longer here was a happy tuna with nice soy ginger, glaze, finish up with avocado, fresh mango, and a pickled cucumber and onion, and sesame toast on top. Please come and join us here at Chanticleer for fresh seafood, fresh pastry, fresh bread. We're looking forward to having you to celebrate all your memories here.